Flow-through technology is also famous for reducing gas blowback back into the system. A 5.56 direct impingement or piston gun is a very gassy system, and HUXWRX cans traditionally have done that very, very well. Tyler here from Silencer Shop with another tabletop overview, and today my guest is the HUXWRX FLOW 5.56K. This is a DMLS, or 3D printed for you muggles out there, 5.56 silencer with the patented flow-through and torque lock technology. As you shoot, the can torques lefty-tighty and actually tightens the system back up onto the muzzle device. They tested it on a 10.3 inch Daniel Defense, so it's at least rated down to 10.3 inches. It is also for sure rated for full auto use. It passed the SOCOM stress test, which is very rigorous. The fully 17.4 stainless steel construction comes in at a whopping 5.5 inches in length, so a nice short 5.56K. It's also 11.8 ounces, which is incredibly light for a 17.4 stainless can, and a 1.6 inch diameter. The OSS HUXWRX Flow-Through technology is also famous for reducing gas blowback back into the system. A 5.56 direct impingement or piston gun is a very gassy system. Reducing the amount of gas you're introducing back into your bolt carrier is a huge concern for a lot of people, and HUXWRX cans traditionally have done that very, very well. It comes in black and an FDE, both Type C Cerakote finishes. Inside the box comes with a 1/2x28 5.56 flash hider, though it is also compatible with a 5.56 muzzle brake separately. All right, that pretty well wraps up the HUXWRX FLOW 5.56K silencer. We're really excited about a 3D printed silencer from HUXWRX. The flash hider front cap is fantastic. The flow-through technology works very well. Jump in the comments below and let us know what you think about the HUXWRX FLOW 5.56K.